Hi guys, welcome to Digital Solutions YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the Android version in your Android mobile phone. So first of all, click on Applications and go to Settings. Scroll down to About Phone. Here, click on Software Information. Now, look at the second option, Android version. Just click on Android version, but you will not get any screens here if you just click once. But now I am going to click on it multiple times continuously like this. Guys, now see, you have got a screen like this. This is the screen you get when you click multiple times continuously on Android version. So this is the Android version in my mobile phone. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.